I'm Chris Whalen, CPA, and welcome to my video memo series. First, a brief introduction. I am the managing partner of a full-service CPA firm offering income tax, accounting, and consulting services. We specialize in the needs of business owners. I want to say that 2013 was an incredible year for my firm, and I want to thank all of the new clients and business partners that I met this year. As we start the new year, it gives us a great opportunity to start some new habits regarding our accounting, record keeping, and information processing. This is also a great time to have my firm review your prior year's tax filings, especially if you lack confidence in their preparation or contents. This video memo will touch on a few important areas. Maintaining inadequate mileage and travel records is a very common problem. Many of us don't keep track of our daily travel. Under audit, this mileage deduction, which is often one of our largest expenses, can be denied if you do not maintain adequate records. To claim a deduction for transportation expenses related to business or medical care, you must be able to provide the IRS with the exact number of miles you traveled during the year. So what are the basic IRS rules? Number 1, no estimates are allowed, exact mileage only. 2, each trip must be itemized and the business reason listed. 3, and that mileage must be totaled annually. This screen shows exactly the information that the IRS recommends you maintain for mileage. So what can you do? Most of us are already using an electronic calendar. Simply capture this additional data within your calendar entries. You can then periodically update a mileage log. Many of my clients do this. So, what else can you do? Take a picture of your odometer at the beginning and the end of the year. If nothing else, this will show an exact amount of mileage driven for the entire year. But please note that this does not take the place of maintaining detailed mileage logs. And please contact me for professional direction on maintaining adequate mileage records. I realize that more and more transactions today are done with direct debits, but many of us are still writing paper checks. The canceled check is one of the most important pieces of evidence that we have to verify the validity of our expenses, in the case there is an IRS or state tax examination. The absence of a copy of a canceled check could mean these expenses are disallowed and added back to income. It is vital that you have copies of your canceled checks in your possession each month, either in the traditional physical form or in a digital form. These copies need to be kept with your other permanent tax and accounting records. In recent years, I have been seeing that banks have stopped giving copies of canceled checks with monthly statements as the default option. This is an incredible mistake that can put you at risk. Many banks have made great systems for storing check images online for later retrieval. There is no guarantee, though, that bank online storage is reliable, so make sure that you retain your own secure copies. Many times for IRS purposes, the need for these copies comes years later. I have had many clients needing a few years' worth of canceled checks, and the banks have tried to charge them for each image. This is also a very good time to review your bank statements for hidden charges and fees that you may have been charged. I hope you found this video memo beneficial. If you did, I urge you to post it within your networks and to share it with your contacts. That would be much appreciated. And as always, contact me directly on the email or phone number at the bottom of your screen with any income tax, accounting, or business-related question. If you want to be added to my memo distribution list, simply send me an email request. Thank you and have a very happy New Year.